Sarnia Lambton, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my newest listing, 7007 Blue Coast Heights. This beautiful two-story and sought-after Cam Lackey is just down the street from its private deeded beach rights. Come and check it out. Thank you very much for watching my video tour. If you or someone you know is looking for a fabulous home in sought-after Cam Lackey, just down the road from its own deeded beach rights, and built top to bottom by one of Sarnia Lambton's best builders, give me or your realtor a call today.